Here we've got REALME Q2, and let me show you how to change the navigation bar on the following device. So as you can see, currently we are set up with button navigation, and we've got 3 buttons here. This one is for recent items. Now this in the middle is for home, and then here we've got back button. And if you'd like to change it, just enter the settings and search area, enter navigation bar. It's the quickest method. Navigation buttons, and as you can see here, you can change the layout of your button navigation, but if you'd like to change it to gesture navigation, just click on swipe gestures from both sides, so it's the first option. Here you've got the tutorial on how it works, and let me show you. So you can slide from right to left and from left to right to go back, then you can slide up to go back to your home screen, and if you will click it a bit longer, then you will be able to see all recent apps. And this is it. As you can see, no more buttons, just gestures. You can smoothly apply this way of navigation, and you can change it then whenever you want to. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.